Are there Bimini covers in here?
That's a cover in case you want to leave the Bimini top on. You can cover the Bimini top on with
You're
that.
not gonna use these, huh?
Not that. Alright guys, this is the last day. It's about 6:45 in the morning. You guys get to see a pretty sunrise. Anyway, this is our last day here. We're supposed to load out at 7 o'clock and they're going to take us out and put us on the hard, which is land for people that don't know what that stands for. Anyway, they usually work, they open at 7 o'clock here and usually close down by 2 or 3 because the heat index is so hot that they don't want to work very far in the day. So anyway, you're going to see us pull the boat out today. And then towards the end of the film, you're going to see me greet my dog and stuff. I haven't seen her in a couple of weeks. And then, anyway, so I hope you guys enjoy this sunrise, and I'll talk to you in a bit. Alright, see you, bye. can't see her. They put blinds up now. I can't see her. Oh, I hear her. Oh, big girl, what are you doing? What are you doing, big girl? What are you doing? What are you
She goes, fuck you, I want Dad.
Oh, did you miss Daddy? Oh, did you miss Dad?
She goes, yeah, I'm fine.
No, she's gonna try and get in the truck, so don't leave.
What are you doing?
You're a good dog. So anyway, guys, without Susan and Betty Haynes and everything, I couldn't have did this trip at all. I really want to throw a big thank to those guys, and I just couldn't have did it. And a big thank for Jeff too for going with me and helping me out. And so anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the videos, and this is the last one on this part here. So yeah.